This image of the Sydney Harbour Bridge was completely generated by AI. How about this image of a newborn baby? Well, that isn't real either. And this perfect cup of coffee. Surely this image is real, right? You guessed it, it's completely AI generated. Adobe Firefly 2 just released, allowing us to create some incredibly realistic images. And the best part, it's completely free and you can access it right now. So I'm gonna put it to the test by generating images from 5 different categories, and then I'm gonna rate them out of 10 for how realistic they are. So let's get into it. All right, so the first category we're gonna start with is human. One thing that it does well, better than Midjourney, better than DALL-E, is the eye. You also can see his skin, it's more detailed. Again, the eyes are perfect, teeth perfect. I can see some pimples. You can see these small imperfections, these small pimples, but it just makes it look so realistic. We got this small kid, he's eating some ice cream. Another example as well of each individual strand of hair at the top. It just adds that element. Her eyebrows, her eyelashes, her eyes are looking forward. It's very realistic. You got this nice, lovely lady. She's sitting there. She's drinking her tea. Nice background. She might be on holiday. This one's really good because I don't know why, but when I saw this image, I kind of felt like it was windy. Then you got this nice grandmother cooking in the kitchen. One thing that stuck out was her hands and also her fingers. And then her hair, it's gray. It looks like what a grandmother's hair would look like. All right, for humans, I was very impressed, especially with some of the close-up shots. Out of 10 on the realistic scale, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Let's move on to famous landmarks. All right, so for the first landmark, we have the Eiffel Tower in Paris with a sunset. Not bad. Look, I like the clouds. I like the trees. The water's very, very good. Obviously, it's not the best angle of the tower. Let's go on to the next photo. I like the water. I like the grass. Another example, the grass is good. The clouds, the sunset in the background's good. We got the Taj Mahal in Agra, perhaps on a misty morning. Not bad, honestly. I've never been there, but I take it that this is what it would look like in a misty morning. And you got the pyramids of Giza. Not too bad. Okay, this one's pretty good. I like how, like, close up you can see some of the shrubs down at the bottom there. They're a bit more detailed. And then you got the shadow at the bottom right over here. And then obviously in the distance, you can see the pyramids. Then we got the Golden Gate Bridge and just the landscape in the background, the clouds. Here's another angle as well. And you can see down at the bottom there's that road. All right, and then we got the Colosseum. Wow. You know what? That is pretty good. For landmarks, I'm going to give it 8.2. I was impressed, but I know that they have a little bit of room for improvement there as well. All right, next up we're doing animals. So we got a lion here. This one's pretty good because it still emphasizes the jungle pretty well. And I mean, all those leaves just look so realistic. This is probably a better close-up image of the lion. This one's a bit more detailed. Have a look at the nose and then have a look at the tongue. We got a cat jumping on a fence. Look at the whiskers and just the lighting on the side of the cat. And this one here, it's like jumping off the fence. What makes this image so well is just the fence, the shrubs down there at the bottom with the flowers, the cats jumping. This one's really good because you can sort of see the water on the elephant. He's kind of wet. For animals, I'm going to go a little bit higher. I'm going to do an 8.5 out of 10. All right, next we're doing nature. So this is the famous Bondi Beach in Sydney. Not bad. I have been there quite a few times. I think the main thing is all of the properties and all the houses all up at the top there. Then we've got the Maldives. I've never been there and I'd love to go there one day. I think they did a great job with the water because you can see right through it. The boardwalk as well, very, very detailed. The clouds always good. This one's really, really good. You can see the sand there on the left. Part of it is in the shade, part of it is in the sun. Then we got the redwood forests in California. The dirt and the vegetation is very detailed. I'm going to give nature probably an 8.3 out of 10. For the last one, we've got random objects. We've got a notebook with a pen resting on it. Not entirely happy with the first result. I like how the binder is not perfect. They're never like completely straight. Not too happy with this result, a fridge with its door open. They could have added maybe some fruit. They've got some fruit in there and some vegetables. Looks like a lettuce. It's a very big lettuce. And then we have a television remote control on a living room table. This kind of looks like a hotel. The remote's a bit big in comparison to this plant right here. I like how it gets the different colors of the buttons on the remote. Then we've got a toothbrush with a dab of toothpaste. There's a different type of toothpaste as well, so I like that one. The toothbrush is terrible. Alright, for random objects, I'm just going to give them an 8.0 out of 10. But that's it, guys. If you've stuck around this long, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do more videos like this. Remember to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.